Welcome to City Zone. In this video we are discussing about RPF previous year question paper, and the first question is, which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution states that all minorities, whether based on religion or language, shall have the right to establish and administer educational institutions of their choice? Correct answer is Article 28 is related to freedom as to attendance at religious instruction or religious worship in certain educational institutions. Article 29, protection of interest of minorities. Article 30, right of minorities to establish and administer educational institutions. The provision of impeachment of president in the Indian Constitution is borrowed from the Constitution of. Correct answer is Article 61 of the Constitution of India describes the process for impeaching the President of India. The process can be initiated by either House of Parliament. The Indian Constitution incorporates features from many countries, including the Australia, Canada, Ireland, Japan, Germany, and the Soviet Union, UK and USA. Which of the following articles of the Indian Constitution to Controller and Auditor General? Correct answer is K. Sanjay Murthy was sworn in as the Controller and Auditor General of India on 21 November 2024 by the Honorable President of India, and he assumed office on the same day. Which of the following is not a symptom of Salmonella infection? Comment your answer. What is the correct sequence of the following biosphere reserves of India from east to west? 1. Sundarban. 2. Pachmari. 3. Achanakmar. 4. Simlipal. Correct answer is Biosphere reserves are arranging east to west. First one is Sundarbans, second one is Simlipal, third one is Achanakmar, fourth one is Pachmari. There are 18 biosphere reserves in India established by the government that protect large areas of natural habitats. Here is a list of 18 biosphere reserves in India with state. According to the Census of India 2011, which of the following groups of states recorded a population of more than 30 crore? Correct answer is Who among the following was the leader of the Wahhabi movement in India? Correct answer is Which of the following was the correct ascending order of administration units of the Rashtrakuta dynasty? Correct answer is Administrative units of Rashtrakuta dynasty. Rashtra, the largest administrative unit, or province, ruled by a Rashtrapati. Vishaya, a district, or subdivision of a Rashtra, ruled by a Vishayapati. Bhukti, a subdivision of a Vishaya, consisting of 50 to 70 villages. Grama, the smallest administrative unit, or village, ruled by a Grampati. Who among the following has assumed the charge of Chief of Army Training Command Shimla in 2022? Correct answer is Senior IAS officer Deepak Kumar was appointed by the Election Commission as the new Home Secretary of which of the following states of India in March 2024? Correct answer is Recently, the Election Commission has approved Senior IAS officer Deepak Kumar as the new Home Secretary of Uttar Pradesh. Deepak Kumar, a 1990 batch IAS officer, is presently Additional Chief Secretary of Finance and Basic Education. The Street Vendors Atmanirbhar Nidhi PM Swanidhi scheme for microcredit completed in how many years in June 2023? Correct answer is Which of the following state is not connected to the Golden Quadrilateral Highway Network? Correct answer is National Highway Network, connecting several major industrial, agricultural and cultural centers of India. It forms a quadrilateral with all the four major metro cities of India forming the vertices Delhi, Kolkata, Mumbai and Chennai. Other major cities connected by this network include Ahmedabad, Bengaluru, Vellore, Balasore, Bhadrak, Bhubaneswar, Bhilwara, Cuttack, Berhampur, Durgapur, Faridabad, Guntur, Gurugram, Jaipur, Kanpur, Pune, Kolhapur, Surat, Vijayawada, Eluru, and other cities. Which of the following articles deals with language to be used in the Parliament? Correct answer is Article 118 is defines rule of procedure. Article 119 is regulation by law of procedure in Parliament in relation to financial business. Article 120 is language to be used in Parliament. Article 121 is restriction on discussion in Parliament. Which of the following is the main measure used to evaluate a nation's economic health? Comment your answer. In September 2024, the World Health Organization officially recognized which of the following as the first country in the world to eliminate leprosy? Correct answer is In September 2024, Jordan became the first country to receive WHO verification for eliminating leprosy. Which of the following schemes aims to create self-employment opportunities in rural areas? Correct answer is Who among the following was the first ever Supreme Court justice against whom a motion for removal was initiated? Correct answer is Ichthyophis bedemil, a worm-like amphibian that can swim, belongs to which genus? Correct answer is Ichthyophis bedemi is a limbless amphibian, or caecilian, that is worm-like in appearance. Caecilians are tropical amphibians that look like large snakes or worms. Which of the following species of catfish was first discovered in of Arunachal Pradesh in March 2023? The correct answer is According to reports in March 2023, a new species of catfish was discovered in Arunachal Pradesh, named Exostoma dhritiae. This discovery was significant as it was named after Dhriti Banerjee, the first female director of the Zoological Survey of India, in recognition of her contributions to research on India's fauna. Bhirana, a Neolithic site, is situated in which state? Correct answer is In which of the following types of forests are the spotted deer found? Correct answer is Spotted deer are found in montane forests, which are forests located in mountainous regions. The spotted deer, also known as the chital, is the most common deer species in India. Which of the following programs aims to improve the food and nutritional status of people experiencing poverty? Correct answer is Who among the following is known for his contribution to the foundation of the Jaipur Atroli Gharana, particularly in the realm of tabla playing? Comment your answer. Manu Bhakar and Sarbajot Singh, The first Indian shooting pair to win an Olympic medal in shooting at Paris 2024, defeated players of which country to win the bronze medal? Correct answer is Indian shooters Manu Bhakar and Sarbajot Singh scripted history with a bronze medal in the 10-meter air pistol mixed team shooting event at the Paris 2024 Olympics. Which of the following statements is are true about Iltutmish? Correct answer is the laws of inheritance form the foundation of classical genetics. Who among the following first described the laws of inheritance? Correct answer is Gregor Mendel's laws of inheritance are the foundation of classical genetics. Mendel's laws explain how traits are passed down through generations and are the basis for understanding genetic variation. If you were to advise a state in India to start sesame cultivation as a rabi crop, the state will be from which of the following regions of India? Correct answer is Sesame can be cultivated as a rabi crop in India, particularly in the southern regions where the climate is suitable for its growth during the winter months, unlike in North India where it is primarily considered a kharif crop due to the hot and humid weather conditions required for its cultivation. Which of the following is a feature of the Fiscal Responsibility and Budget Management Act, 2003? Correct answer is Who among the following was the founder of Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO? Correct answer is Vikram Sarabhai was the founder of ISRO. ISRO was formed on 15 August 1969. Who among the following Muslim leaders first propounded the theory of two nations? Correct answer is According to the Indian Meteorological Department, which season can be observed from October to December? Correct answer is 9. The season from October to December in India is called the post-monsoon season. This season is characterized by cooler temperatures, falling leaves, and the transition from summer to winter. Who among the following wrote the book, The White Tiger? Correct answer is The White Tiger is a novel by Indian author Arvind Adiga. It was published in 2008 and won the 40th Booker Prize the same year. Arundhati Roy is an Indian author best known for her novel The God of Small Things. Who among the following is the ex officio chairman of the Rajya Sabha? Comment your answer. An ant bite is acidic in nature. Which acid is present in ant bites? Correct answer is In which month is the Hornbill Festival in India? Correct answer is The Hornbill Festival is celebrated in the month of December, usually from the 1st to the 10th. It is an annual festival that takes place in the state of Nagaland, also known as the Festival of Festivals. According to the Census 2011, which of the following union territories of India has the least population density? Correct answer is The Andaman and Nicobar Islands had the lowest population density among all the union territories of India in 2011. The population density was 46 people per square kilometer. Which of the following data sources is used for estimating extreme poverty in India? Correct answer is a kind of quantitative and qualitative process of change which cannot be measured. Correct answer is who has become the first woman sniper of the Border Security Force in 2024? Correct answer is Suman Kumari became the first female sniper in the BSF in 2024. She completed an 8-week sniper course at the Central School of Weapons and Tactics Indore. The idea of justice, social, economic and political, in the preamble the Constitution of Constitution has been taken from? Correct answer is I hope this video will helpful for you. If you guys enjoyed, please like, share and subscribe our channel.